Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Kantola Fry, also known as Spiny Gourd Fry, is a crispy, flavorful dish that's easy to make and goes perfectly with dal, rice, chapati, or can also be eaten as a tasty snack. This recipe is a great way to enjoy this nutritious seasonal vegetable. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Kantola Fry, also called Spiny Gourd Fry. We'll show you how to season, coat and shallow fry the spiny gourd until perfectly golden and crispy. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Kantola Fry or Spiny Gourd Fry. Step 1. Marinating the Kantola or Spiny Gourd. We have taken 4 spiny gourds weighing around 250 grams. This is also known as Teasel Gourd, Spine Gourd, Kakoda, Kakrol or Phagil. Peel the pointed spines from the spiny gourd. Cut off both the edges. Cut the spiny gourd into thin slices. Remove any hard seeds and discard them. Once cut, place all the pieces in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 1/3 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Mix everything nicely. Ensure all the spiny gourd pieces are properly marinated. Marinated Kantola or spiny gourd is ready. Step 2. Frying the Kantola or spiny gourd. In a plate, add 3 tablespoons of Semolina or rubber. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add 1 pinch of salt. Add 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Add 1 pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything nicely. Semolina coating is ready. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil for shallow frying. Coat the spiny gourd nicely on all the sides with semolina coating. Once the oil is hot, add the coated spiny gourd slices one by one. Fry them for around 4 to 5 minutes. After around 4 to 5 minutes, flip them over and fry the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Fry them until they are crispy and golden brown. Ensure that they are not over-fried or burnt. Once they turn golden brown on both sides, remove the fried spiny gourd from the pan. Similarly, fry the remaining spiny gourd slices. Delicious Kantola or Spiny Gourd Fry is ready. Enjoy the Spiny Gourd Fry hot. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.